Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
First, install Google Authenticator from the App Store or Google Play Store. Keep your phone unlocked and ready. Next, sign into Facebook on your phone or computer with your normal password. Make sure you can access your account settings and email. Also confirm your phone has internet access and the correct time settings. Check that your phone time is set automatically for accurate 6-digit codes. This step usually takes 2 to 3 minutes when you have everything ready. Open Facebook and tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Security and Login. Find Use Two-Factor Authentication and choose Authentication app as the method. Facebook will display a QR code and a manual setup key as alternatives. Open Google Authenticator and select Add Account, then scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Scan the Facebook QR code with your phone camera. Finally, enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Facebook to complete verification. After setup, Facebook will show recovery codes. Save them in a secure place immediately. Print or store one recovery code in a password manager or physical safe. If you replace your phone later, either transfer accounts inside Google Authenticator or use the manual setup key you saved. Test the setup by signing out, then sign in and enter a new 6-digit code from the Authenticator. If you lose access, use a recovery code or contact Facebook support for account recovery options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.